Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you the easiest way to change a specific color within an image using Adobe Photoshop. So let's say we have these red roses with the green leaves and we want to change the color of the red roses to another color, maybe pink, yellow or any other color, but still retain the green leaves and leave them as they are. So what we are going to do is to use what we call adjustment layers. So let's choose hue and saturation adjustment from here. So in this case, we are going to come here and choose the reds. This will ensure that all the reds in this image are targeted. So from here, we can choose any other color we would like to use. For example, let's say purple, or we can choose blue or any other given color, and we can still adjust the saturation or even add in some light. So let's go to another example. Let's go to File, Open, and let's double click on this. So this image was downloaded from Unsplash, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Let's say we want to change the color of the jumper. So we use the same technique. We go to adjustments, but if we don't do anything, you shall see that when we try to change the color, even the color of the face changes, and we don't want to do that for now. So since we want to only change the color of the jumper, we are going to first delete this adjustment and repeat. Let's choose the hue and saturation from our adjustments panel. Choose hue and saturation. Let's target the cyan color, which is the blue. More blues, more cyans. Let's choose cyans. Let's try to change the color to maybe purple. So we see that we are getting some problems. The color is changing, but the shadows are not changing. So all we need to do is to target more of the blues, like from the cyans going to the blues. So we are going to use these sliders and maybe more to the right, and even this one more to the right. Yeah, I think it's perfect now. More greens. Let's adjust this. So I think it's perfect. Thanks for watching. Peace.